Okay, this is some more of the Tabebuia that I've had around for a while. It's been sitting in the yard for a little while, so it's gotten it's more adapted to the humid environment that is out there. That's not as wet as it was when I first got it, because it was brand new cut when I got it. I made some bowls from green wood. This is probably still pretty green, but it's got a lot of variation in the wood here. We'll see what happens. But I've got it so that I'll have, this will be the top. So this will have some natural features on the bottom, but the top edge will be circular, pretty much. It depends. Maybe I'll go out far enough that this might be in it, but we'll see. Or something might happen over here. So I mean, this layer in here, the wood is relatively soft, so we'll see what's happening. That started out as white, and then turned kind of greenish, and then turned brown, and then turns black. So it has varied quite, and it shrank, lost a lot of moisture to get it down to this thickness, because it was probably 1.5 inches thick, this dark stripe. And so it's not bad, so we'll see. And I'm going to see if I got this right here. I got this 2.1. I think this is clear as 2.1 with the woodworm screw in there. And so here we go. Oops, I gotta measure this. Make sure I'm not too big. 8 inches. 7 inches. Yeah, it's clear. And I'm hoping that it doesn't slip there, because it seems like it's soft. It might slip the woodworm screw, so we'll see. But there we go. Well, you missed the excitement. The video was off. But this came loose, so I'm suspecting the rest of it's going to come loose. So I might as well take it off while I can. Well, my plan here is to take off quite a bit more, because I don't want this big an area here, and the same thing here. So I've got to take off another, at least 1 inch, if not more. So we'll see what happens. Well, I guess I could try and glue it back on. Okay, I decided to not replace this piece that came out. I figured it was going to probably be a problem no matter what I did. Also, I've got the shape here pretty much done. I'm going to leave this natural edge and this obviously natural edge, and then additionally I'm going to throw it in the microwave and dry it some. You can see the wet areas that are water seeping through. This was outdoors, so and it wasn't protected from the rain. I didn't think about that when I was putting it outdoors. So it's very wet. So I'll throw it in the microwave a little bit and see what happens. Okay, here is another Tabebuia Bowl. It's been a while since I've turned anything from Tabebuia, but this is a piece that's been sitting out in the yard for a while. It did lose this section here, and I didn't feel like putting it back on because it was going to not work out for me very well. The wood has a lot of nice grain. It's light colored. I originally wanted to have some live edge, but all the pieces came off, and so really all I have is some natural edge, and the best part of that is right over here where the wood chunk came out. You can see there's a lot of grain effects going on, so it turned out pretty nicely. Let's see, what else? If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more with similar wood turnings. Please comment and I should respond. I make a video about every 2 to 3 weeks, which is farther apart than I used to do.